What if I told you God is still speaking, but sometimes we expect God to shout when he prefers to whisper? You see, you keep asking God for a sign, for a miracle, for something loud, but maybe he has already answered you quietly. God doesn't always shout over our chaos that we have. He waits for us to lean in. You'll hear him in the stillness of nature, in that nudge you keep ignoring. Don't mistake God's silence for absence. He speaks differently in every season to everyone. For 1 Kings 19:12 says, after the fire comes the gentle whisper. Slow down, silence the noise. God's whisper is worth the wait. Until next time, you already know what to do. Sit in the stillness, hear God's voice, and be blessed.